to calendars and emailing too. We're gonna make it with Pythagora, although the explorer, the aura of 1,000 lives, so you better keep from trying. It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing too. We're gonna make it with Pythagora or Andorra the Explorer, aura of 1,000 lions, so you better keep from trying. We're gonna make it with Pythagora or Andorra the Explorer, aura of 1,000 lions, so you better keep from trying. It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing too. We're gonna make it with Pythagora or Andorra the Explorer, aura of 1,000 lions, so you better keep on trying. We're gonna make it with Pythagora or Andorra the Explorer, aura of 1,000 lions, so you better keep on trying. It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing too. We're gonna make it with Pythagora or Andorra the Explorer, aura of 1,000 lions, so you better keep from trying. We're gonna make it with
Yo.
Pythagora, Andorra the Explorer, aura of 1,000 lions.
Oh, it cut out. Yo. Today we are going to try and make this app. G Suite Agent. I was sick of Gemini not working properly with the G Suite, so I'm like, what if we make our own Gemini for the Gemini competition? I feel like it's something Google would like, but I'm sure there's a reason something good doesn't exist. Anyway, kind of kill two birds in one stone. This will also help me test out Pythagora. Just seeing that I'm lagging. I'm gonna reset my camera here before we start. This software kind of lags. Maybe I should update it. Maybe I should just quit it. Should probably update it. I'm still here. The freak. Yeah, just a bit of making sure everything works. See, it like stutters a bit. I have to force quit it. But yeah, so Pythagora. I think this is like the only tool that could theoretically build this whole thing um, without me coding much. Yo, where's Buttricks? Here we go. Yeah, we'll see if that's legit. Um, yeah, can't see the top of my screen. I hope that's not going to be an issue. It might be. Might be an issue. What? There we go. It's a bit better, right? Uh-huh. Okay. Um, interesting. I can't hear the alerts. Maybe they have to be on like this. See if I hear the next one. This is what we're gonna be using. Oh yeah, I can hear it. It's just very soft. Let's see. Maybe it's because I turned it down. Okay. I think we should be good. Gonna double check with with my phone, make sure the levels are good. We had some echoes in yesterday's stream. It took me about 11 minutes to find that out, so we're gonna check this one. Sounds pretty good. Yo, Brutal Strike, what's up? Good morning. Where's the chat? Is that hidden chat? Yes. Chat should be back from now on. Okay, let's get straight into it. So, Pythagora is a VS Code extension. You can also get a standalone CLI app, but I think most people would prefer the VS Code extensions. So we're going to install that, but on Cursor, because Cursor also can work with VS Code extensions. So we're going to open up the extensions pane on VS Code. It's this one here, and search Pythagora. Yep, this should be it. 0.2.2. Let's make sure that's the right version. Oh, damn, they don't have many good stars. No, 0.2.3. So it's one version behind. Oh, this came out 56 minutes ago. It's pretty recent update. That's fine, I'm sure. Hopefully there's not too many issues with the version before it. Have a look at their Discord while we're here. Now, I haven't seen anyone make these big complex apps. Like, my requirements are actually pretty complex. But I looked at their showcase, and these apps are relatively simple, like calculator, a snake game, stuff that we've seen. So comparatively, look at my requirements here. I use ChatGPT to work through this. We can definitely make it shorter, smaller for at least the first round of Pythagora. I don't expect it to be able to make the whole thing working 100%, but I want it to kind of make the boilerplate code. Yo, Tentacle Pink, hello. Okay. So we've installed it, right? And here we go. This is the screen we see when we first run Pythagora. It's asking to create a free account. I think I already have an account. So one of my issues with Pythagora is plain text password entering in VS Code, pretty annoying. Well, let's just see. I'll do this off screen. Wait, actually, get my password. Oh, now we can listen to this song I made. You can't actually hear because I turned the volume down. It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing too. It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing too. It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing to After you sign up, it will say make a install directory for GPT Pilot. So I'm gonna make one here, just in my development folders. I'll just go GPT Pilot and select there, and that's where it'll store like the database and stuff that it makes. Yeah. Yo, Leroy, what's up? Good morning. Half a brief in Notepad, yeah. We'll definitely make the prompt good. Yeah, uses a whole lot of tokens. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to update my GPT API to have lots of credits, or we can subscribe to Pythagora. Let's see what their pricing is. Uh, like, hello? I sent you an email with more information. Pretty annoying. I thought subscribing would make it easier, but might not. Yo, Moro, what's this tool? This is Pythagora. Pretty like the most comprehensive create app from just prompts thing we've tried. Okay, so when you ask the sub, they give you an email that looks like this. And you can choose either prepaid with $10 and then keep adding up tokens, $100 a month for 10 hours of GPT plus usage. Let's get their $10 prepay. Let's see how long this lasts. That's the last four digits of my card. And that's it. Okay, that's pretty easy. Now. Oh, and that's pretty good. It updated right away. I thought that then maybe I'd have to restart. Top up your thing. It doesn't really tell me how many credits I have remaining, but it gives me an option to top up. That's fine. GPT pilot pop. GPT pilot. I think we're gonna keep that as it is. Okay. Yeah, let's refine the requirements here. So they are a bit long. Kind of do want them all. I think we can ignore the DynamoDB part. I don't know. What do you reckon, Leroy? Can I just put this whole thing in Pythagora? Better than Marbleism? Um, can Marbleism make? Now I don't know. I don't know if Pythagora can do it either. From my understanding, Marbleism makes web apps in a particular architecture always. Yeah. Whereas I kind of want to define my own architecture. You know what I mean? Like this. I want to try use Terraform and React Native Expo. I don't know if Pythagora can do this either. There's a chance it can't. But that's what we're gonna go with. That's what we're gonna try. Something very hard, but you need a dataset generator and train. I'm gonna try. We're gonna try it. Um, all right, we will leave out the additional features. We'll see what happens. Okay. Set up GPT pilot. I have $10 credits. Good. Can I create a new project? Upload database? No, that's not what I want. Maybe I do have to select the path properly. Oh. All right, let me just restart cursor. Mm, where did it go? Hello. I think I'm missing. Am I missing icons? Here we go. Why is it still like this? How do I start a new project? I think this needs to be something. Like here. No? Oh my god, what did I press? Uploading database? Oh, here it is, the chat. Oh my god, I missed it. There we go. Okay, 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 okay. So you gotta find the chat window, which I either couldn't see or it wasn't there before. All right, I'm gonna give it my full brief, and let's see what it does. Create a mono repo for these requirements. Boom. Oh, this isn't in, hold on. I think if I do it in Markdown format, it'll actually be more information or like better organized. All right, let's see what it does. More details are better. Yeah, I thought so. So the first time I used Pythagora, I actually didn't put many details in my prompt, but now we're doing. The cool thing is it actually like asks you follow-up questions and stuff. So even when you don't put a great amount of detail, it kind of does something. Yeah, so this is the big prompt here. Create a mono repository for these requirements. Architecture, front end, React Native Expo for the mobile app, backend, AWS kind of stuff here, and then the screens for the front end here. And oh, I accidentally set the additional features as well. That's fine. Now this is quite a big prompt, and I know that they have a lot of chain of prompting going in the background, so I feel like this will take a while. So let's play some music. Like
Hey guys, tune in now. Testing the AI, let's see how it opens apps in sight. So wow, tech friends stream, join us somehow. Capabilities of this AI, I think the roof is pretty high. Open apps, websites, and now tech friends stream, let's blow your mind. Tech friends stream, we'll find out together. Tech friends stream, it's a fun endeavor. Tech friends stream, we're exploring forever. Tech friends stream,
waiting
never say
forever.
never.
I'm already seeing that. We could do something in the meantime. Let's look at their Discord. Showcase archive. Let's see. Previous showcase. Minecraft clone with GPT pilot. Oh, hell yeah. That's pretty good. That's so good. That's way more than a Snake game. That track is actually fire. Oh, thanks, Alex. Ecto. Up check. Pokemon. Someone's made Pokemon with GPT pilot.
Okay, I have a AI coding bot installed in VS Code. It is called GPT Pilot. And let's take a look at how we're going to interact with this to have the bot build the web app for us. So I'm going to take the role of a human. I'm going to submit a story. And the AI developer agent framework is going to create a series of agents, an architect, a tech lead, and a spec writer at first. They're going to confirm my goals and objectives and build a task plan. They're going to pass that off to a dev, a coder, a code monkey, which will have a reviewer to review the code that it develops, and of course, a debugger when issues come up. They're all using ChatGPT for Turbo. All right, let's take a look at the actual story. Pretty simple. You can see it's Pokemon based. All I want to do is build a simple web app, maybe running on Node, showing Pokemon names in their demos. I found 2 endpoints to get that information for free off of Google and provided it the logo. In terms of tech, I said, hey, just be very simple. Avoid using some backend technology that we don't need right now. That's all we need. Let's copy this in and we'll paste and start. All right, so we're loading the developer framework. We'll create a new app. It's going to ask me for a name. Pokemon app is good enough. I'm going to paste in all of the information that we just reviewed. And at this point, it's going to start asking me some follow-up questions. If it doesn't already know what it needs to get, it says your project description seems a bit short, but let me try to figure it out. It's got features. Yep, functional specifications. These look right. Um,
Why did his respond so fast? Mine's still waiting. I feel like there could be. Is there something wrong with mine? Is there any way to see what Pythagora is doing right now? Well, no, I don't think. We just have waiting. There may be a way to run it with more logs, but like for his, I don't know. Maybe he edited it. Honestly, it's taking a lot longer than I expected. Maybe I should try it again. Should I? We could also use they have like an open source command line interface, which we could use. And then we could compare it to GPT Engineer. Actually, there might be logs. Like some extensions have their own like tab of logs in like output. Output. Do we see Pythagora here? I do not. Do not see Pythagora. I don't know. I feel like it's hanging. It's probably building the app. Oh, can we look at the files? No files. Oh no, we need some. Oh, look, and then we went back into it and it's all our information's gone. I'm getting lazy with the prompt now. I'm just gonna like, create this app. Do it. Bro, I have some eggs. They're like a few days old. Should I eat them? They've been in the fridge, obviously, but I don't know. What programming languages do I know? My main one's JavaScript, but I think I can work with most similar ones. This is a bit disappointing. We could give it separate prompts, like maybe just do the front end. Try that. What's annoying is like as soon as I go out and back into it, it's like I never used it at all. We could try it in VS Code is another. Maybe it doesn't work well with cursor. Try that. It could be the extension version is broken because I just released a fix like 56 minutes ago, but I don't have that version. Could be any of these reasons. Okay, this is the latest version. Let's try. Try it, and if it tastes bad, that's a good. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna eat it. I'm pretty hungry. I don't have a fork. I'll be back in a sec. Yo, Dark Sky. Dark Sky says they give an update every week. That's pretty good. Actually, I'm gonna change my mic for a sec. Yo. Hello? Test? Yeah. I think it's okay. I don't know. I'm having doubts about the egg. I don't think I'll eat the whole thing. It tastes like fine, but it's like still a risk. What's my actual name? I go by AJ with my friends. AJ. Is this the first real AI developer? No. Um, no. We'll never have an answer for that question. I gotta do this shit again, man. Give me a sec. Okay. Um. Oh, this time it actually says create new app instead of set up GPT pilot. That's always good. Let's do that. Create new app. Okay, we didn't get any of this before. This is good. Setting up a virtual environment and stuff. Very good, very good. This is a much better start. What's the project name? G Suite Agent. You pronounce that sweet or suit? Suit doesn't sound as good. Describe your app in as much detail as possible. Okay. Where was my requirement? Okay. Um, these buttons kind of cover the text box. But yeah, I just pretty much pasted that same markdown I had. This is it. Like 90 lines of markdown describing the architecture for the app, including front-end screens, back-end database, and API endpoints. And yeah, it's actually doing something this time. It's really good. So I guess maybe it works better in VS Code, or maybe I just had a broken version. Checking complexity of the prompt, hard. Yeah, it's going to be a hard one. AWS CLI not found. So it's kind of expose CLI not found. It's kind of installing all the CLI that it needs to do this. I'm gonna have to make this a bit smaller. Yeah. I have VS Code too small. Yeah, I have it too zoomed. GPT Pilot is exciting, yes. What model is it using? Just whatever the default is. I haven't configured it. You can probably GPT-4 or some 4.0 or something. Something like that. Okay, finally got our turn to do something. Starting a new task with description. Implement the DynamoDB table using Terraform. This task involves creating a Terraform script that defines a table. That sounds pretty good. Let's do that. So the first thing it decided to do was create the database. I don't know. I guess there's no really right or wrong answer on what it starts with. Personally, I would have started with the front end. Maybe because it's the most tangible thing. Like, there's no point having a database if you don't have a front end, in my eyes, but it's not really too important. I should see the files it's using. Yep, looks like it's created the files. Really cool. Node modules. It's created a Vite project. It's defining the database now. Nice. I got the main Terraform file. I've never used Terraform before, but I think it's a good option. It wants me to edit 2 lines according to the instructions, which I can't see in this screen. So I probably have to scroll. Here, I need to set the region. I think. Oh no, here's the instructions. Wait, no. That's instructions for itself. Alright, let's look at the file. I think they've left comments where I need to change stuff. Oh, they even highlight it. That's pretty cool. So input required up here. Looks like it's only 1 line. East 1 is fine. Can leave it at East 1. Sure what else I needed to change. Gonna press continue. Alright, wants to run command cd terraform and terraform init with 60-second timeout. Sounds good? Looks like the command failed. Terraform CLI is not installed. Yeah. We'll get it to debug itself. It'll probably install the Terraform CLI. I only needed to change 1 line. Clearly, I didn't read the instructions. I swear it said change 2 lines. Oh, modify line 2. I just skim read it. My bad. Leroy says it should have done use cases first. That's interesting. Okay, it wants me to install Terraform manually because I guess it wasn't able to install it. We can do that. Brew tap. Surely you could have done this. Sorry, we can do it for it. We'll go back into VS Code. We'll use their terminal. Why not? And install Terraform here. Oh, my Xcode is outdated. I have to update Xcode. Oh man. I think that might actually take a while. Um, let's see how long this takes. Looking like, oh, 3 gigs. I think that's going to take at least half an hour. At least. Damn, so we need the latest Xcode for Terraform. So that is a blocker, guys. Looks like we're blocked for 30 minutes. Why am I using Mac? I'm traveling and the Mac laptops are way better than anything else for what I do. Kabir says create something with LangChain. Nah. Oh, it's 420. I'm on dial-up? No, I'm on hotel Wi-Fi. The speed isn't too bad, but it's not great. Yeah, so um what do we do here? You could go for an adventure and get some food. Um, let's see. I think my battery might run out. How do I not keep my laptop updated? I only update stuff if I need to. Can you message yourself on Discord? No. Uh, I think I actually could probably just type this. Wait, does that mean anyone can join this link? I think you probably could try, but I am the host. Wait, that actually could be funny if I just let people join. Actually, yeah. So let my phone host it, or no, that doesn't make sense. Or I'm posting it in my Discord, and I don't know. We'll see what happens. Did I not post it? Oh, I think I was in the I posted it in the Pythagora chat. Okay, let's try this. Um, hell yeah. Um, um, um. Hello? Why Google Meet so we can get video? Echo is bad. Is it still bad? I think it's good now, right? Just use Discord. I don't think I can use Discord from two devices. That's the issue. But it's okay. We got this working. We're let's go for an adventure and we'll come back in like 20 minutes. Yeah. All right. I hope the net doesn't cut out and shit. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Hello? All the output. Yo, is it echoing? Okay, good. I don't think it is. I don't have chat. I just noticed. But hold on. What if I do this? I think I do have chat. Okay. I think we're good. Let's go. All right. See how that goes. And like the Wi-Fi will cut out soon, but it is what it is. We'll be mostly fine. You guys get to see Thailand? Oh no. Oh, first. Oh, there's got some of that egg drip on me, dude. It looks me so bad. It's actually not that bad. I left a pop-up on screen. You serious? Alright, we're going back. Oh man. There. Hope that take stairs. I think that Wi-Fi will cut out on the elevator. Where are we going? I don't know, just for an adventure. We got food. Check out the place. I'm throwing this egg out. Like, how much money do I have? I don't think I have enough for most shit. Like, I only have 140. No, thank you.
Help!
There's that dude on the bike in the pathway. I like going portrait. Does this go portrait? Damn. I think it's gonna ruin it though, right? It's just, ah. Shit. I just hit my head on the freaking on the tent thing. I'd only get a smoothie from here. Hello. Yes. Let's see. Take a lemon?
Lemon shake?
Yeah. Like no sugar. Getting lemon. Yo, Pythagoras so bad I needed fresh air. No, it was just I needed to update Xcode for Terraform. So yeah. We're getting lemon. Have a look at these stalls. Oh, tentacle. Hello, hello. Yeah. We'll change the scenery. It's so hot. That row has to be just sitting out. Yeah. We don't really do it like that in the West, huh? And it's so hot today as well. I still eat that shit though. Hold thighs when you heat it up, right? Yeah. I think a lot of people get sick when they first come to Thailand. A lot of white people. Have I eaten octopus? Yeah. I don't mind it with squid and squid. Kind of similar. I wonder if I get. Sorry, I haven't been able to see TikTok chat. Let's have a look. No. No, I don't think it'll work. I'm regretting coming out. Yo, okay. Maro, what's up? Okay, no one. Nice. This is actually crazy. Okay, now I got TikTok and other chat going. Oh, but I closed Meet. Oh, but you can still see me. No, you can't see me. Oh, no. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Oh, we back? Hope so. Surely. Yes, sir. Alright, we got a lemon drink. Heading back. Hopefully Xcode is finished downloading. Oh, we're upside down? What the fuck? I don't know. No, it's a taste. Really interesting. Fresh lime. It's actually pretty good. Silicon Valley Season 4 Octopus VR? Which one was that? I really like Silicon Valley, but it's been so long. I don't even remember like half the shit that's happened in it. Oh, it's yeah, Oculus, Octopus. Yeah. Oh, Jin Yang is one of my favorite characters in Silicon Valley, or at least the dynamic between Jin Yang and Alec. So good. It's a lemon sour, yeah, and I specifically asked for like no sugar. Oh yes, Abdi. Tomorrow, okay. Tomorrow, yeah. Oh, maybe tonight for the sunset. I've been doing runs along the beach at sunset. Kind of want to do it tonight. Oh, great! I left the mouse on the screen as well. Oh well, learning experiences. This is like the first time we're doing like a meet and walk in a while. I'm gonna take a step again. Damn, check out the fit. What am I doing in Thailand? It's like warmer and cheaper for me to live here during winter in Australia. The nose angle. We got the head angle. Oh, so what are my thoughts on Quen 2? It seems really good. I haven't tried it personally, but from the results everyone's been saying, it's actually really good. Right. Oh. Hello. We're back. Hope you enjoyed that little glimpse of outside. We still have not finished downloading Xcode, but we're almost done. Almost there. Do I rent in Australia? No, I don't. I live with my parents. That's the strategy. Nice. Um, so what files has it created so far? Let's have a look. We've got the Terraform files. Interestingly, it's put it in a folder called Terraform. I was kind of expecting there to be like G Suite agent and then a front end folder and then a back end folder. This could work. I'm not opposed to it. A Terraform folder. Because theoretically, Terraform is the backend orchestrator. So within Terraform, you could have the whole backend kind of defined, which is kind of what happens here, right? They've got, oh shit, let's not save that. You got main TF, which has, I think they've only done the backend. Yeah, we've only defined the backend here. Resource DynamoDB table. Yeah, we've defined that. And we were about to set it up with the Terraform CLI, but in order to run the Terraform CLI, we needed Xcode at its latest version, and that is over 3 gigs download. You didn't tell it to do a front-end folder and a back-end folder. Yeah, I didn't tell it. So of course it's not going to do separate folders like that. Well, it could if it knew how to design a mono repo. I think I did say the word mono repo. It's not kind of sometimes implies it, but yeah, obviously I could have been more specific, and that would have been a better prompt. No, I didn't say mono repo. Actually, you're right. That was a previous prompt. Architecture. I guess we could have had a separate requirement for folder structure, but yeah, I didn't have a folder structure requirement, and it's not a big deal as long as it all works in the end. Are you paying for rent? Brutal strike? Yeah. Kind of one of the reasons I'm not paying for rent is I like to travel, and then having to pay rent while you're traveling and not living in it is annoying. Da, da, da. Music? Where's Carl? That's not too bad here. Could definitely be worse. Let's go. Let's bring out a classic. Let the algorithms guide you. Type beat. This one. Oh, what? Oh, featured one? Whoops. Oh. Life on repeat. Oh, Pythagora with the
Windows down, heat blasting,
question.
sweat dripping off my brow. Summertime rays got that sunshine now. Cruising through the blocks, old school boombox. Based up the
Okay, we
harsh
got it.
sound.
Finally. All right, let's try install Terraform again with brew. I have not agreed to license Xcode license. How about now? Now I've agreed. Now we install. Now we wait. Now we wait. A lot of waiting. Yeah, a lot of waiting. Let's do some squats. Okay, finished. All right, now I think we can confirm that Terraform is installed with Terraform-V, and looks like it is installed, so we can continue Pythagora. Can I run Terraform and Terraform init? Yes, it's going to try initialize a Terraform project again. See how it goes. Make this a bit thinner so it's easier to crop on TikTok. I do want to make the text bigger, but it makes the UI so much worse. Wait, what if we do this? Oh, okay, that's pretty good. Can I run the command cd terraform and apply auto approve? I don't know what that does, but sure. Looks like the demand failed due to a syntax error. Let's see if it can debug it. So we could be working out while Terraform is coding for us. So we can get really fit and have apps. Let's see how many push-ups I can fit. Well, see, I expected it to like not keep going, so. Oh, there we go. Thank God. All right, it's gonna try run the command again. Now it's gonna go again. I'm not reading it fully to know whether it's stuck in a loop or not, but like just from skimming it, it seems like it's not stuck in a loop, so I'm gonna keep letting it do its thing. Still getting errors. It looks like a new error, so we'll let it keep going. Can you use Pythagora on an existing project? Yeah, they just released that. really recently. See their Discord. Let's move this bad boy up here. Move. What the okay. Existing projects was released on June 5, so only 7 days ago. So it's changing stuff to work with the errors it got. I haven't really been paying attention, but I mean, it's also like a bit too much information for me to pay attention. I'm hoping it can figure itself out. We will see. Alright, it's gonna try the command again. Nice, it successfully ran it this time. Let's go. Terraform is successfully being initialized. Now it's going to... Wait. I thought this was the apply. Dash auto approve. Okay, looks like that's working as well. Or is it? Oh no, that's an error. Oh, more errors for Terraform. I mean, it's typical of a software engineer to spend like 80% of their time debugging, so just because we're getting errors and debugging them with Pythagora, it's not necessarily a bad thing as long as there's progress made in the long run. So yeah, I wish there was just an auto run mode. I don't like having to keep coming back and pressing continue, a bit annoying. But it's okay. It's more of a nice to have than a need to have feature. All that debugging's eating through credits, yeah. It is. And I don't know if I can check how many credits I have left. Click it. They have the auto run mode if you pay for subscription. I am paying for subscription. How do you open the settings? Hello? Here. Oh, so I've used about $2 so far. Oh yes, automatically assume yes. There we go. I wonder if that'll apply. Thanks for that tip. Because you know you can edit code yourself and Pythagora will pick up on your changes. That's pretty good. Very useful. Guess we're waiting for that 300-second timeout. Looks like maybe it worked this time because we're not getting the timeout. Oh no, here we go. Creation complete. Awesome. That's so good to see that it can actually debug. This is the future of coding, guys. Future of coding is just you dancing in a corner while the AI does all the work. Oh, can you please check if it works? Can we press start app? Normally they say what you have to check as well and how to get it running. Navigate to Terraform, ls. It's a lot of work. So we've now become the tester for the coder. Oh. We've now become the tester. We have to do the testing. Alright, first he wants me to check the files in Terraform. Yeah, they look fine. There's files there. You can see configuration files. Initialize with Terraform in it. Didn't it do that? It literally did 2 and 3. Log into the AWS and navigate to DynamoDB. Do you reckon it made the table? It actually might have with my default console. I might have a look. Or can we just say move on to the, I kind of want to just move on to the, yeah, I might just say continue. Oh, wait, hold on. I don't know what it tried to run, but we got an error. Yeah, I think I'm going to just say continue. Let's see what it moves on to. Now it's setting up the Lambda functions, I think. Oh no. This is kind of like all the tasks it has left. So the current task was DynamoDB. Next task was auth backend with Lambda. Looks like it's going on to the actual backend with Lambda. Yeah, we'll get it to do that. Yeah, and it's still using the Terraform config to implement those, which is really good. That's what we want. Just gonna wash my hands. I'll be back in a sec. Yo, Adrian. Um, I'm building an app with the help of Pythagora, which is this VS Code extension. It's also got a CLI app. Pretty much a software engineer AI. So far, it's cost us $2 to make a Terraform configuration for the database. Right now, we're doing the AWS kind of auth backend. And then hopefully we'll do the front end. Do I plan to test GitHub Copilot Workspace? It's not in my plans, but yeah, no, a lot of people have said for me to test actual GitHub Copilot too, and I haven't. So it's definitely something that we should do, but I haven't yet. Okay, it wants me to manually edit the table name here. What? What if I line 4? Input required, provide the DynamoDB table name. Actually, it should have gotten that from... Could we give it feedback? No. I mean, it already knows it's in process env. I guess we needed to make the env file. I'm gonna leave it blank. Something we can worry about later. Why haven't you? Originally the main reason was I didn't want to pay for it. And now I just feel like cursor is better. Cursor and Ada. I could be wrong, but just from like the stuff that I've seen cursor is doing, it excites me more than GitHub Copilot. Please open login user and modify line 5. Line 5. This is the same one. Continue. It also wants a JWT secret. Well, these are both coming from the end file, so we don't really need to worry about that at the moment. Needs a human to deploy the app to a stage. What do we need to, how do we deploy it? Needs a human to update the IAM roles for Lambda functions. I keep telling it to continue because that's literally the only option I have. It would be really good if there was a feedback option. It's okay. Pretty much, I just want the boilerplate, so we're just gonna press continue for the backend API gateway, and then we can go back into kind of fixing it. But yeah. All right, continue on to the next task, please. What's the next task? Create the task management backend. Yeah, we'll add that as well. So I guess this task 2 was just the auth backend, but now we have the task management backend. Pretty much this app that we're creating, it has tasks that you can manage. An example task could be for going through your email and giving you a summary. Yeah. Pretty much I want like I've called it a G Suite agent. So like pretty much like a chat agent you can talk to, but it has access to functions like bringing up your emails, sending emails, bringing up your calendar, creating calendar events. Yeah. I mean, at face level, it seems like GPT Pilot's doing a good job. Where actually is the backend code? G Suite agent Lambda. Okay, so we have a folder called Lambda, which has all the Lambda functions. That's cool. Keeps wanting us to add the environment variables. Just gonna keep skipping that. Because I just want the boilerplate. I wanted to just rush through this to get all the boilerplate. Now the folder structure, I mean, it could work. This could be a folder structure that works. Lambda, Terraform, SRC is just the normal app, it seems. I hope that we can do that. Like, it's going to be an Expo app, but I don't think we've gotten to Expo yet. We've got React, interestingly, but no Expo or React Native. Pythagora plans to make it cheaper. Oh, nice. I would think GPT 4.0 is pretty cheap when making apps. Well, I don't know about that. I think you can get much cheaper. Like right now, can we see how much we've spent? I need a human to configure the gateway route. we're just gonna continue all these. We just want the boilerplate. We've spent almost $4, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 files for $4, so 40 cents a file. Like compared to a human, it's very cheap, but I'd expect AI to be even cheaper than this. And this is really useful for like guiding you to set up the AWS side of things. I'd assume. I haven't really like looked into it fully, but yeah, we're just gonna skip over that whole back end setting up and debugging. And we're gonna go to chat backend. Interesting. So we actually asked it to create a backend for a WebRTC chat, which is something between users, right? So I guess it doesn't really WebRTC between agents. I don't know. We might skip this one. I kind of wanted to go on to making the front end. Yes, here we go. Front end. Let's go. So it's really good by running all the CLI commands we need for the front end. Oh, is my crisp thing gonna run out soon? 6 minutes. I'm gonna upgrade my crisp membership. I can just get Pythagora to make crisp. I don't think so. I think crisp has like its own AI infrastructure, like model and hosting. I mean, theoretically it could be possible, but I think like Pythagoras not going to train a model for me. What did I just agree to? Expo CLI installing with a 60-second timeout. Might not be enough. We'll see. Buy a small mixer. I'd rather just have the software so I don't have to carry around extra stuff. Looks like it failed. Oh, because it timed out. Yeah, I thought so. We need a longer timeout. Retry human intervention. Said no, but it's. Oh, here it goes. Timing out 300. Yo, Flash Webby. It's alright, you didn't miss too much. We're okay, installed with dash G. We're trying to create the boilerplate code for the Google Suite agent. Well, Pythagora is. We're just chilling. Why did I click no on debugging? I don't know. I don't think it made a difference. It still went ahead and debugged, so it's fine. What happens till now? We started making the code. It started with the database. We needed Terraform for the database. And to get Terraform, we had to download Xcode, which took half an hour. After that, it made the boilerplate backend code for the database and the servers. And now it's on to making the front end Expo app. Oh, Adrian just installed it. Nice. Good luck. So yeah, now it's trying to install Expo CLI with 300-second timeout. And I've got it on auto run mode. So we can kind of just sit back and chill out, you know? Looks like it's timing out on this one. Sad. But I'm hungry. Check terminal. Does it log in the terminal? Alright, I'm coming. Where? I don't see the logs. I feel like I had logs one time. Could be one of these. I don't know, dude. I feel like that's all. That's greater than 200, 300 seconds too. Oh, there we go. Yeah, timed out. It's alright. It'll debug it. Could be it needs more than 300 seconds. But at this speed, I don't know if it's 10x developer type speed, you know what I mean? This thumbnail I had 10x developer, but it's feeling more like 1x developer. 1x engineer. Oh, it's been well, if you don't count the like 30 minutes for Xcode, it's been like an hour. Don't count the 10 minutes for setup. Yeah, almost an hour. And we have a lot of code. Like I'm trying to just compare if I was to do this without Pythagora, where would I be at the moment? Like if I was using cursor in Ada and manually running like the git inits and stuff, I feel like I'd be faster. I feel like these like big agents that create the whole projects are not there yet. Maybe. Probably. 300S is a lot when you don't have ass internet. True. Could be the ass internet. It's running it again with 300 milliseconds timeout. It's a bit annoying. I'd still be on file 5 because I gave up on my main website that had an error. What do you mean? What do you mean? That seems like an attack. Oh, it did it. Let's go, Pythagora. I mean, if you think about it like this, because this is doing a lot of it, even though it's slow, it like frees up my time to, do push-ups and maybe reply to emails and stuff. So you gotta think about it like that as well. Is it waiting for me to say yes here? It's weird. Normally it auto responds. Redux. No, I don't want Redux. I wish there was like more opportunity to kind of jump in and give feedback. Be like, no, I don't do Redux. Pythagora is definitely faster than a normal developer if your internet isn't slow. Yeah. I'd say faster than a normal developer that's working with a new stack. If it's a like experienced developer using their experienced stack, I think that'll be faster. Like stream, if I move this, oh, why isn't it doing stuff? Do it. Like stream sorry. It's pretty delayed. Okay, it's initializing the expo. They're rebuilding Pythagora to make it have less errors. Nice. Yeah, for sure. All these tools, it's like so early, so there's a lot of work to be added. I need to get a remote. Um, actually, it looks so funny. Yeah. Oh, This green screen thing is actually hilarious. How funny is that? What's that Google link about? What Google link? How's the it makes my quality better too? So asking for me again? Google Meet link? Oh, I stepped out, so I used Google Meet to. Alright, that didn't work. Test. Audio test. Audio test. It's okay. Pretty far away from the laptop. Um, okay. Pretty far away from can't read the screen. Oh, that's actually better. That's so better. Sick, man. I can just program, make apps for bed now. You know what I mean? It's just gonna debug for me. Let's go. Lazy AI. We can't see what's going on. Yeah, you can, dude. It's better now. Look, let's read through it. The command expo install failed. Do you want me to debug? Oh yeah, I guess you can't really see. Yes. Okay. Well, you saying you prefer this view? Maybe this. Like I can't see it from here, but when I need to read, I'll zoom in. There's gotta be a way. Hold on. Actually, I could probably get this bigger on my screen. Uh, projector. Oh, that's so much better. Hell yeah. The only issue is I don't have TikTok chat. Oh, why did I disappear? Oh, hell yeah. Where am I? Alright, we're gonna attempt handstand. Oh man. The command install React? Why is it separately installing React? Oh, that doesn't make sense to me. Uh, dependency. Failed. There's a dependency issue with install gesture handler. React 18 is incompatible with this. Okay, so it's installing another version of React, I think. Oh no, 18. And then for some reason I think I have to say yes. You ever seen a streamer stream like this? This is all like new shit, dude. No one's ever streamed AI like this before. Make the chat a bit bigger. Which chat? Pythagora chat or user chat? Right now they're about the same font size. And Dark Sky didn't like it when it was bigger. Live chat. Alright. There you go. Flash is blind. He could be on. I think he's on a smaller screen. So you gotta watch out for the small screen people. Dude, we're gonna run out of tokens before we get this app, I feel. Run out of credits. Oh, Dark Sky, you're on a mobile phone too? And you can read this? Do you do like zoom past 100% or do you watch at like 100% full screen? Yo, Aria, you want me to test UFO? Last time I tried UFO, it didn't work. Is it better now? Alright, now it's trying React 18.3. Oh, it worked. Yay. Dude, this green screen is so good. I don't know, I just love the green screen. That's a bug. I have to say yes when we have auto yes. Yeah, it's only for these debug ones. Maybe it's because I said no that one time. Oh, it's the other way. Yes. To my Discord. Always saying. Probably delete this. It's not create thread. Discord. Oh, did you DM me? There's nothing on Discord. Just type it in live chat. My voice is too low, yeah. I gotta fix that. I can just turn it up. I'm like really far away. And I don't wanna the chair is uncomfortable. I'll show you the chair I sit on. Wait, you guys, this is the chair. I don't want to sit on this chair. Da, 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 da. Dark sky calling everyone deaf and blind. Yeah, editing it'll be annoying, but I feel like this won't be like 90% of this footage won't be used for editing. Or if I do, I'll do a voiceover. Probably. Because it's not like live, it's like happening so slowly. That green screen is hilarious. Oh, bro, we're gonna run out of credit. Let's see. We only got $2 left, bro. We're gonna run out. We had $10 at the start. I think we're almost there though. It says 89% of this expo app. Might make it just on $10. So many packages for it to install. I think they should have just got all the packages and do it all at once. Yeah, I think there was some issues with the version of React not working with the version of Expo or some bullshit. That's UFO with Gemini. I think UFO is actually only for Windows, and I'm currently on a MacBook. 58% ago, what am I on about? I'm on about the subtask. The subtask was 80%. This one. 80% of the Expo app. 58% of the whole app, yes, but 80% of the Expo. Or is that just the front end? I mean, is that just the home screen? So this is just the home screen. But here it's... Oh yeah, it's just the home screen. Oh my god. But I guess once it's got the home screen, the other screens will be easy. I assume. Oh, do I have to say yes here? Said yes twice. That's just troubleshooting the issue? Surely. So I better add uh tell them about the yes bug. They'll see it. Then will I test UFO? Bro, I told you I can't test UFO. It doesn't work on MacBooks, right? Good luck for tomorrow. Oh yes, the Mozilla event, guys. I'm doing a Q&A with the founder of the Continue extension, which is like the best extension for coding with local language models in VS Code. Yeah, we're doing a Q&A tomorrow in about 3 hours tomorrow, I think. Well, I could be wrong about the timing, but it's tomorrow in a few hours. Maybe tomorrow? No, I won't have access to my Windows computer for at least another couple weeks. Ooh, MPA cache clean. That means it's like pretty much at the end, right? Where's debugging? What's the debugging? Was it all just to be able to run this? Oh my god, let's see if it works. I feel like it's not gonna work. These yes no's are still here, even though it's already submitted yes. So maybe I don't have to press it, but I press it anyway just to make sure. Oh look, one time the yes is lowercase, and then the one when I press the button it's uppercase. The yes bug. Oh, it did! Yes! We have the Expo app. Alright, I can come back now. I can come back. I think we are. It took a long time, but we made it. Oh no. What is this? Why did they try to install Expo again? Native error React isn't compatible. This is the same error. Bro. No man. Redux files. Change the React version. Oh, so it did make a front end folder. It's weird that we have an SRC folder though when this is front end code as well, but we don't use that. Can we use Gemini API with Pythagora? Yo, my camera's big. I don't know. Is Pythagora free? Not really. I think they might give you some free credits, but yeah, like you probably won't be able to make anything substantial. Angular, I don't know about Angular. Flashy, what are you saying? Oh, you made the short? Fuck yeah. Alright, I mean. Oh, it worked. Well, actually, that was just a sub goal. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Command. Oh no, that was the right goal. Okay. I think it might have finished. 93%. Okay, maybe not yet. No, now it's installing Redux. I didn't actually want Redux. I pressed no, but it doesn't care. Oh, I say no and it thinks it's already done Redux. It's creating a store now. What happened? Uh-oh. Oh, here. It's free with local models. Oh, yeah. Does it work with local models of the VS Code extension, or was that just the CLI tool? Take friend stream, take friend stream. Wow, so much bigger now. Okay, it's creating code. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I see Through's using it with local. Yo, Stefan Miladinovich in the chat. Is that a new handle? New username? Open interpreter which versus UFO, which do I recommend for larger tasks within Windows? I generally prefer open interpreter because I couldn't get UFO to work. So I'd probably say open interpreter. But they're like even open interpreter is pretty buggy on Windows. Also, have you seen Pi Win Assistant? That one's pretty fun on Windows. How much credit left? Probably nothing. 80 cents, dude. But we have the boilerplate. I want to just run the front end. What's it doing now? Nice, it's doing styling as well. That's good. We'll see how far it can go before dying, and then do we update credits? Add more credit. Could add more credit. I really want to add more credit. Why did this come out of nowhere? Okay. It wants me to test the app. Let's do it. Let's do it. G Suite agent, G Suite front end, yarn start. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's doing it. W for web. Oh, I need metro time. We also need all right, let me install these. Where is it like this? Expo install native web and runtime failed due to that's not a good enough error. Oh, here. React 18 seems like it's incompatible or something. Before. We could also try. I have Expo on my phone. Let's see. Oh, why do they want me to do this every time? Now it won't even yarn start because yarn remove React native web. Hey, 5 memberships from Steph. That's crazy, Steph. Why'd you do that? Oh shit, Blizzard joined for a month. Hey, Blizzard, long time no talk. Thank you guys so much. That was so random. Oh shit, Strength joined for a month. Yo, thank you guys. I don't know. Did you guys all do it coincidentally at the same time, or does it batch? Mar joined. No, surely this is. Is this live? Did that all just happen? So weird. I don't know. No, surely not. No, no, no. That's gotta be patched. I don't believe that many people just decided to sub at the same time. Nah, yeah, definitely not. Is it just, I feel like it's just going through all my subs. That's pretty good. I didn't know we had that many subs. That's like 3, 4, 5 subs. How do you remove stuff? npm uninstall. Oh my god, I can't type. React Native Web. That should work. Added 2 packages. Bro, I said uninstall. Why are you adding packages? Okay. Alright, let me see if I can get this front end running. Thinking about it. Building 98%. 100%. What does it say? That's what it says. It's pretty much, it just says open app.js to start working. It's pretty much just like the blank expo screen. So we do have a home screen. I'm guessing it's rendering. No. Why is the home screen? Open up app. Where is this coming from? App.js. Why is it running app.js? Maybe we can import the correct app. Oh, it's running from here. So it's not even running app.jsx. Okay, but we do have a lot of boilerplate code for $10. Yeah, it still feels like it's too early and not worth it for 90% of people. But yeah, we could have it continue. I might do that another stream. But I feel like we successfully got the boilerplate we wanted for this app. We got the front end. We got the Terraform definitions for the back end. Okay, so we don't have the Terraform definition for the lambdas. We only have the DynamoDB. Okay, so that's kind of a fail, I feel. How are we meant to deploy it? I think it was trying to get us to deploy with the AWS SDK. Has potential for sure, yeah, definitely. I think Pythagora is definitely on the right path and they're gonna do really well. It's just they have a ways to go. Fix up all the bugs and make the user experience a bit better. Which is just like any software. These are all new, obviously. But it's pretty good. I would like to compare it with GPT Pilot. CLI. not pilot, sorry, GPT engineer, because they've also been working on this pretty much exact same problem for a while. So yeah, all in all, how long was this stream? 2 hours now, so we've probably spent more than an hour and 20 minutes-ish, maybe an hour and a half, letting Pythagora do its thing to get our boilerplate code. And this is far from a usable project, but like full stack. But it's very complex. Like the requirements I gave it were pretty like detailed. Well, not detailed, but like there was many different requirements. And it like pretty much started working on all of them and successfully initialized like Expo, Terraform. I'm not sure where it was going with the AWS Lambdas and how to deploy that. I think it was using the AWS SDK, but I wanted more infrastructure as code with Terraform. I think you can define that stuff in Terraform. Yeah, pretty much that. And put it on GitHub. Good question. How should I put this on GitHub? This is... I might kind of wish this was cursor. I could be like, how do I get remote add origin? How to add remote get origin? Get remote add origin. Okay, get remote add origin. I think we can figure that out. G Suite agent get remote add origin that get add this get commit. Oh, what? No, did I just delete all the code? No. Oh, I'm in the wrong. Not a Git repository. Hold on. Let's git clone this. Cold. Okay. And then we can add this whole thing here. No. Wait, cancel. Oh shit. I moved it. Okay. Okay. There we go. We have a git ignore of it. I think that's fine. It's gonna take a while. Yo, Lokesh, what's good? I'm gonna let this copy and yeah, I'll push it, hopefully. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna play some music as we outro. And next stream, maybe we'll have a go with GPT Engineer. Maybe we'll try continue off the boilerplate we got from Pythagora. I don't know. You guys enjoyed.
It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing too. It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing too. It's an AI that can do stuff adding to calendars and emailing to agents. It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing too.
G Suite Agent. Don't. G Suite Agent. Don't. It's an AI that can do stuff on Google, like adding to calendars and emailing too.
Hey guys, tune in now. Testing the AI, let's see how it opens apps and sites. Oh wow, tech friends stream, join us somehow.